Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are a teacher, this video is definitely helpful for you. I brought some activities and assignments which you can give to your students at this lockdown period. So first one is Rakshabandhan is a festival marked since ancient times and there are several mythological stories that revolve around this custom. Examples are Lord Krishna, Draupadi, Yamuna, King Bali, Goddess Lakshmi, Karnavati, and Humayun. So choose any one story which you would surely love to write. And let the students write any one story out of them. Second is write down the qualities of your sister which you like most or what are your sister's best qualities. Same, write down the qualities of your brother which you like most or what are your brother's best qualities. Next is decorate a Rakhi thali or puja thali by using ingredients like roli, haldi, kumkum, rice, laces and flowers. And click a picture with your puja thali. Next is make a Rakshabandhan memorable video to add a spark to this day. You can merge your pics or you can make a video not more than 40 to 50 seconds. Next, suppose your brother is not at home. You are going to post Rakhi on his address. Write a letter describing your feelings on how much you are missing your brother. Next, you are out of city and received your sister's Rakhi. Express your feelings in words by writing a letter to your sister. Next, read the ancient mythological stories that revolve around the Rakhi custom. Try to create an act or drama on any one out of them. It will be fun for the family but interesting also. Make a Rakhi. To make and decorate your Rakhi, use silk thread, wool, satin ribbons, button, beads, stickers, colored glitter glue, etc. So these are the activities which you can give to your students, and we'll be back soon with another useful video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.